Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the process of preparing your design for cutting with the Cricut Maker. I've already created my own design and now I'll show you how to fit everything on one mat, separate colors, and even how to use multiple mats for a smoother workflow. I'll take you step by step on how to position your vinyl correctly and move your objects around and avoid any mishaps during the cutting process. So let's dive in and make sure everything is set up for a perfect project. If you're ready to learn some Cricut tips and tricks, make sure to stick around. You can see that I have already created my design, and now I'm going to be showing you how to put everything on one mat and how to separate the colors. I think I might be using two mats just to give the machine more space, but let's see how it goes. So I'm going to click make. Probably should put my Cricut Maker on. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to be using a mat to do my project, and I'm going to click confirm. Okay, so now you can see that the Cricut Maker has split this into 5 different mats, and I do not want that to happen. So I'm going to click on the second mat, and I'm going to select my R, and I'm going to say move object, and I'm going to move the object to, why is it not allowing me to do that? Okay, so let's see if okay. I had one of the settings on print and then cut, so that's why it's not allowing me to move the object. Let me go back and let's fix that. So go back to my project, customize. I'm just going to say cancel. Yes. I was actually testing it earlier on to see if I could send my client um, a PDF version if I change it to print and cut. So let me just change this to basic and it should be good to go. I'll also change the color so it'll go onto the same mat. Okay, I'm gonna click make. So Cricut already sized it for me. I just want to move it a little bit from each other. Perfect. Okay. Now we can see the others are cutting on another 3 different mats. So I'm going to move this to the first mat. Okay, the reds are cutting together. I actually realized something today. When Cricut says black, when it uses a black background, it's for a black vinyl, and so on and so on. So this is purple, blue, and red. I actually like that feature. Okay, let me move this. This is going to be blue. Let's move this to the first mat. So I must just remember that it is blue. And the pink I'm going to move as well. So let's put the pink on this side. As well. I think it's just easier and a bit quicker than to change your mat all the time. It may take a little bit more of coordination, but I'm sure once you get the hang of it, you'll feel more comfortable. I must just remember the colors. This is actually the blue one. Let's do blue. There. I think a quicker way would be if you change your colors on your design space. But the reason why I left it is because I need to remember um, what colors goes where. Okay, so if I remember correctly, Rebecca and Carabo is pink, and Boitumelo is blue, and then the Letero, I think I'm pronouncing it like wrong, uh, and Cabello and Moslati will be um, red. So let's see. Now, before I click continue, I just want to make sure that everything is placed on my mat correctly, and then I will proceed to click continue. I actually just want to move this more down and away from the edges so I don't have issues with less vinyl. Then I have to restart the project again. Okay, so I'm using a variety of vinyl. So I'm going to be just selecting vinyl in general because I am using Cricut Smart Vinyl as well as an off brand vinyl. So I'll just select vinyl, click done. Here you can see how I place the different types of vinyl onto the mat. Now I am very strategic in the way I place the vinyl, as I am placing the vinyl colors according to how I've set it up in my design space. Now it's important to place your vinyl colors in the right positions in order to ensure that the correct letters or names cut on the correct vinyl. Once you're done with your vinyl placement, you can use your Brayer tool to ensure that there is no air bubbles in your vinyl and that your vinyl is sticking well to the mat. I will soon be uploading a new video on how to apply this vinyl onto glassware. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss a video again. Thanks for watching.